everyone, up to another episode of Flavor of the Month, where I review every Dairy Queen Flavor of the Month flavor whenever it comes out. Yeah, so it is June. I forgot what month it was. What the heck? But yeah, so we got the Girl Scout Thin Mint cookie. Looks just like mint Oreo, but let's see, because you think, oh, they're gonna be the same. No, Thin Mint and Mint Oreo chip are very, very different in taste. Personally, I think the Girl Scout Thin Mint's a lot stronger, but we're gonna go ahead and do this for the month of June. Yeah, June. Oh my goodness. It's good. Yo, over my spoon. And for those who are like, oh, you should, do the flippy thing. The flippy thing, I did like once and made a mess in my first episode. Go check that out. I think the second episode was able to kind of do it, but by the time I get up to the car, they're kind of a little melted, so it's kind of hard. But that's on me, not on them, because usually I record at my house, so by the time they melted, but I did in the parking lot. That's kind of what I do. You can kind of see the Dairy Queen behind me. It's one of the smaller treat ones. I've always liked the smaller treat ones better than the regular ones. Like, it doesn't feel like a Dairy Queen if it's not like the treat ones. That's the ones I've always seen. But, ooh. There's a big chunk of mint or green dye or whatever. What the heck that is. I kind of wish to set it apart from something like mint Oreo is kind of doing like with the animal cookie, is putting the chunks in it. So it's not bad. I like it. It's really good. I'll go to 7 for nostalgia reasons, because it's Thin Mint Oreo cookies, ones I always get, or Thin Mint cookies, whatever I get. Girl Scout cookies. But just because it's very similar to Mint Oreo, there's nothing really different about it. It's not. No, it just doesn't feel like really Thin Mint, and it feels more like Mint Oreo, but it is different tasting. Doesn't make it bad by any means. Still good. Can't wait to see what else. We got these Girl Scout flavors from Dairy Queen. What other flavors we're gonna get? Just like a Jositos, the lemon bite. What are the ones with the coconut called? I don't remember what they're called, but put in the comments what they're called. I don't remember what they're called. I'll probably have a flash on the screen, but I don't know. Go and check it out. Go and check out in the description. Use the 50% off to get for Raise Energy. Get your own table pack. Get all that junk. I'll see y'all later.
Yeah. Ay. Woo, woo, woo. I'm like, ooh, pull up and see how I live with my crew.